fuckery. Ou pas comme ça? No, you thought you was above shit. You could do what the fuck you wanna do. If you pas bon mati, sucker, you lucky I didn't involve my son. You would have really got it. This bitch think. Then if Sankan say FBI, yes, say police. Even the police don't have a right. As long as you pay your fucking due to terrorize you. It's a fucking lawsuit for you. See, police go above and beyond. Ou fin pay your due if you la harass you. That's what you was doing. Yes, yeah. I told you it was against the law. My man, I'm a Haitian boy, but I was not stupid to the game. Ou pas me pas chum te jouer ou te jouer. E ba pou pat kap non, Sankan moi-même gen grain dans mon dame, chérie. But m'gen ta connaît devant police pas gen grain dans mon dame. Ou font caca ou pral dans prison. Oh, you pral formation encore. Même les don't give you jail time. But my share. Yo, ça va never on pile oui. Every time you gotta get up. Every day juste côtoyer. Pour chaque temps, ou gon ticket. Alma de maskaka. Alga de maskaka. Pour chaque temps, gon hotel la ploue. Pendant si sou pa konon ke moun nan area, ou pa gan ken famille bo le boa. You gotta pay a fucking ticket. Dumbass. Parce que baka comprendre, you call yourself an American.